Hey everybody, Dave Hooke here. Dave delivers another brand ambassador local business highlight. I'm here with the Tuckey Companies, Matt and Nathan Tuckey, and super excited to learn all about their business. Matt and Nathan, how are you today?
Good, Dave. How are you doing?
Really good. Thanks for coming on today. Excited to share with the audience about the Tuckey Companies. So Matt, let's get started. Why'd you start the business?
So our businesses started in 1968 with my grandfather, and at the time his motivation was really to have a business that just served his neighbor and his neighborhood well. And even though our businesses have grown since then, that's really still the driving motivation of what we do, is to serve our neighbors and our neighborhoods well.
Awesome. I love that mission and that sense of just heart for the community. Nathan, what's the main products and services that you guys sell? I know it's a lot. What are some of the things that you guys provide for the community?
Right, we do a lot. So generally we're in construction and manufacturing, but to make that real, just a couple trades that we're involved with: HVAC, plumbing, electrical, restoration and remodeling, and metal fabrication as well. It's a lot.
Yeah, it covers just about anything. I know your tagline, if you don't know who to call Tuckey. So typically anything related to restoration, mechanical services, maintenance calls, residential or commercial, they can call Tuckey.
That's right. Yep.
Yep. And who's your kind of main customer base, Matt? Who do you serve most often?
So it's very diverse and a wide scope of customers, both commercial and residential. But on any given day, we could be serving a general contractor on a large HVAC project, and at the same time, we might have crews out doing a small drywall patch in a customer's home. So very wide scope of services, from the very large projects down to the very small projects.
Yeah, great example of that is you guys serviced, my dad had a big medical building, 52,000 square feet, and he had an emergency, and you took over the whole HVAC system at the drop of a hat. And then just 2 weeks ago, my family's mini split in our little our kids' playroom broke, and I called, and Nicole took good care of me. So that's just, you do just about everything from the smallest residential call to a larger commercial building.
Absolutely.
Yeah, really good. So what's the number one question you guys get asked by customers, or their biggest concern?
Really, just along that same vein, it's you do that, or you would do that. So examples of that: sometimes we have the misperception out there that Tuckey would do the 52,000 square foot medical office building, but not fix my leaky faucet in my apartment. Or we have some customers out there that know very well that we do HVAC in homes, but wouldn't think to call us for a flood. Their basement is flooded and they need it dried out. So really the question is, would you really do that? The answer most likely is going to be yes.
Yeah, makes total sense. I just love the spread of services you guys provide. All right, so what's the best way for somebody to get in touch with you if they're listening today and need to give you a call on a moment's notice?
So folks can get information from our website at www.tuckey.com, or they can call us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week at 717-249-1535, and somebody will always be answering that line to help folks as needed.
Perfect. So it's www.tuckey.com or 717-249-1535. That's 249-1535. And before I let you guys go, is there any incentives or anything that if somebody's listening to this, they can give you a call and take advantage of?
Absolutely. So we always have different things going on throughout the year, so please always call and ask. But at the moment, for brand ambassador listeners, we are offering $25 off your first preventive maintenance visit on newly signed PM agreements. So that could be your air conditioner, furnace, heat pump, whatever it is, $25 off the first time we come out.
Perfect. I really appreciate that. Well, there you have it, everybody. If you're listening to this, somebody who needs some attention with their HVAC, take advantage of $25 off your first preventative maintenance call for your HVAC system, and contact them at 717-249-1535. That's 249-1535, or visit them on the web at tuckey.com. If you don't know who to call Tuckey. They'll handle just about anything you need. Thanks for coming on today. We really appreciate you guys, and we can't wait to connect with you and learn more about your company again soon.
Thanks, Dave.
Appreciate it. Thanks.
Yep. Take care, guys.